At IMS Technologies, we know how important is to take care of any machine. That's why we created our plans of after-sales services. During the validity of IMS care period, we will replace all defective parts free of charge. Basically, IMS Care is a plan that extends warranty coverage and includes a service visit to ensure the proper functioning of the machine. What's included? Service visit by our engineers to inspect the machine, extension of warranty period outlined in the sales contract for the equipment limited to parts. If you want more information, just contact us.